She was a big influence on our lives. She was a drug runner, a bootlegger, and a whiskey runner. And this is a song I wrote about her big red refrigerator, which is where she kept her bullets. And it's called Grandma's Big Red Refrigerator. We've been King Courgette. You've been wonderful. Thank you so much.
Bars and butterflies and weed. So we're gonna go to Grandma's big old red refrigerator. It's got everything a hungry boy can need. She got muskrat roots and ocean roots that blow up when you like it. Oh, whiskey makes you feel a man. There ain't no eggs on my legs, cause Grandma, she don't like it. Them boys gotta get it while they can. Ain't no big Grandma's big old red refrigerator. Ain't no pots, bowl, and pork and beans. No, there ain't nothing Grandma's big old red refrigerator. It's everything a hungry boy can need. Let out the two tickets. And the old girl got rusted because she don't let the queens in. Spinning the smoke that's on the floor. The dog got busted, the Grandma, she's Swedish. She got caught that date in 1964. She got fat cigars and APC styles and wishing never took. Explosive dope that's fake like a lamb. There ain't no beans or aubergine, she don't know how to cook. And even leave the labels on the can. There ain't no big Grandma, big old red refrigerator. There ain't no pots, bowl, and pork and beans. No, there ain't nothing Grandma's big old red refrigerator. It's everything a hungry boy can need. Muskrat roots and ocean roots that blow up when you like. Old whiskey makes you feel a man. There ain't no eggs on mutton eggs, cause Grandma, she don't like it. Come boys gotta get it while you can. There ain't no big Grandma's big old red refrigerator. There ain't no pots, bowl, and pork and beans. There ain't no big Grandma's big old red refrigerator. It's everything a hungry boy can need. Ain't no big Grandma's big old red refrigerator. Ain't no pots, bowl, and pork and beans. Ain't no big Grandma's big old red refrigerator. Everything a hungry boy can need. Got everything a hungry boy can need. Everything a hungry boy can need. Everything a hungry boy can need. Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you.